Cheers to Nolans.
Alright, y'all, so before I get copyright, I'm just letting y'all know I'm heading to another trip. If y'all didn't know, then y'all know now. It's me. I'm waiting for my friend now. I'm going with the same team, same group from my last trip. And yeah, we just outside this year. We outside this summer. So I'll see y'all when I get to my destination. Hey y'all, so we are in our Airbnb. Everybody say hi.
Hola.
Yes, we're missing one more person. But yeah, we're just chilling. We're getting ready to eat. Sean's being chicken because he don't want to. He being chicken when it comes to the drinks. But you know, me and Steph, we got him. So yeah, we just waiting for the food. I'm gonna show y'all and then that's it because I need to charge my phone. You see it?
No, them people.
Oh. So yeah. I'll see y'all.
We can cheers to New Orleans because we're here.
Cheers to Nolans.
Woo! Cling! Okay. Not
I
bad.
didn't even taste that with the shot in it.
Really? I think this is one of the best songs ever.
I'm telling you. I don't make the rules.
I think this is legitimately one of the best songs ever.
This is a sexy song.
It's
just good. Guitar, the singing, everything.
I think this is legitimately one of the best songs ever recorded.
This is like my favorite song.
I don't know where this rank in the music rank.
Another one.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day. We was just chilling. It was just like a chill vibe. We were waiting for everybody to get here and we were just relaxing. We still went to Bourbon Street, so it wasn't bad, but everything was pretty much closing, so we didn't really get to experience it. But we're getting ready to head out right now. We're gonna go to brunch and then we have reservations on this Tiki boat. So yeah, that's what we're getting ready to do. I wish I could show y'all my outfit. Like, if y'all watch my videos, I'm sure y'all seen this romper before. I'm sure y'all seen it. I'm sure. But yeah, I decided to get this romper. I actually love it, enjoy it, although my ass kind of looking a little thick, okay? Thick. Like, I'm sorry, but like, look at that thing. It's thick, okay? But yeah, this is the outfit. And I got on some sneakers. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Like my hoops. Put this hair back because it was annoying me. It's time to take this hair out, man. I'm over it. But yeah, we're about to go to brunch, so I will see y'all there. You got it, you got it. you scared the dog. Damn. So we at the, what is it? The pedal barge?
The wharf on.
Yeah, the wharf. It's a lot of names, but we're basically here, and we're about to get on this boat right here. Can they see it? Yeah. We about to get on the freaky Tiki. I don't know if we getting too freaky, but we're about to chill out, drink, maybe see some gators, and have a good time. So that's what we about to do.
Okay. I think I'll pass it over now.
Captain
Badass.
Yeah.
Kind of feeling this material sticking to.
Where everybody from? Let's go.
Look like it's leaning.
Exactly. Let me go over the side. Gonna get something. So we just got off the boat. I mean, I'm a little lit, honestly. I think everybody is. But we're gonna get some beignets. We're going to the Vintage because we just wanted to try something different. They've been here before, so we just want to try something out of the norm. So that's why we're going to the Vintage. So we'll let you know how it is. Oysters, y'all. These are good. People be wanting to be fancy with the gorge. I gotta eat it like this.
I'ma eat it.
There's no way. There's no way. But this is so good. We going to the light, y'all. I don't know if y'all see that. Going to the Lord. The Lord? What's the Lord?
That's Heaven Gates.
No, it really looks like
Heaven Gates.
Heaven Gates in front of us. But yeah, we're trying to see what the hell this light is about. So I'll let y'all know when we find out. So this is what we were seeing this whole time. And we don't know what the hell that is. I have no idea. But this is what we were seeing. It wasn't the Lord. It wasn't the light.
2 hours later.
So we somewhere.
Not for real. This shit is cold.
We was here yesterday, actually.
Yeah, we was. You got your pizza here.
That's crazy.
This drink is no joke. Like, no joke. That's why they got this damn face over here. Yo, that's all it took for me. I'm trying to make it. I'm trying to make it, y'all.
But that was Thursday.
Trying to survive. Hello, hello, hello. I am up and I am alive, okay? It is the next day and this is our last full day. I'm sad. We had a time last night, okay? We was just out on Bourbon Street, walking around, going into different spots and seeing where the Lord takes us. But we had a great time. I was exhausted, honestly. I was done. Maybe a lot of alcohol, whatever. But I'm just glad that we're home. We made it home safely and we just went to sleep. We just getting ready and now we're gonna try to head to brunch because we have somewhere to be. So y'all will see that today. And I just want it to be a chill day. We did so much, like, y'all really don't understand. It's gonna be a chill full day, okay? Hopefully. But anyways, we heading out to brunch. I will see y'all there. Let's head out. We're not going to the spot that we were trying to go to because that line was crowded as hell. So we're finding another spot and hopefully we can get in because now we hungry and annoyed. So yeah. Okay, so I'm getting ready to try the infamous Sazerac. Yes. I've been hearing about it, so I finally want to see. So you said taste and then put it, like, keep it in your mouth?
Yeah, she said sip it. I took it as a shot. I didn't know you had to sip it and, like, savor it.
It has a little sweetness.
I feel like I feel the spirit going down my throat.
Not the spirit. It's sweet. It's strong though. Like,
yeah, it is strong.
At the end of the day, liquor is liquor.
Yeah.
It's interesting, but I'm gonna take this as a shot now. Cause
yeah.
Which one you want? Coming right up. That'd be funny if they came out and gave it to us, right?
Most popular example of the original
It's gonna be strong as hell. My boy.
Make sure to use the hashtag Sazerac. Okay.
Alright, so we're going to try the San Domingo Julep, and it's from, I guess, so,
especially during epidemics like yellow fever. They would do it in the morning because they thought that it would help.
That one's sweeter.
it is sweet though.
It's not as strong.
Yeah, it has a nice sweet aftertaste.
Yeah.
I'm about to make my own rum at home.
Sugar cane, fermented, and molasses.
Right.
Now we know how to make some rum.
Juice, simple syrup, wheatley vodka, and bitter.
I can't see it, but
Ooh. What is that? Ginger?
I smell it.
Rangoon
The
gimlet.
Rangoon gimlet.
So this has vodka in it.
It smells like vodka and ginger.
It's the Rangoon Gimlet.
This one
So
smells
we
kind
getting
of
rich.
good.
All right, y'all ready?
Hold on. I'm gonna tell you what's in it.
I mean, boy.
Lime juice, right? Lime juice, simple syrup.
That one is not as strong.
Ah, it's definitely ginger.
Yeah.
This is good. This is my favorite. In order. This is my favorite. Okay, third shot, period. This bathroom is so nice. Need some gold in my bathroom. Oh. But yeah, we just finished this tour, the Zazaret house tour. Now we're just about to walk around and chill. That's what we're doing, so.
Brother,
Last shot. Woo. Now we cheers. Alright, so we are back at the house. We just came here to like charge our phones and finish off our shots and everything and figure out where we were going to next. I think we're just going to end it off on Bourbon Street. So we're gonna try this place out called Shots, and if we're not feeling that vibe or the line's too long, we're just gonna walk on Bourbon Street. So that's what we're getting ready to do now. Our last night. I'm super sad. But yeah, I'll see y'all there. Hell no. I ain't showing my boobies.
Later.
But why are we still out here at like almost 3 o'clock in the morning? Answer me. I don't know, man. I don't know. We got early flight. I don't know. Look at the view. It's crazy. I'm trying to get a piece of chicken. and they just not gonna let me rock.
So they can get
I just want chicken. I'm telling y'all, alcohol and chicken is the best way to go. And I feel like ever since I said that, everybody been wanting chicken or wings with their alcohol. I don't make the rules. The rules make me. I came up with the chicken after alcohol. I'm sorry. I did. What the fuck is COE? Cash over everything? What is it? Cash?
Content over everything.
Not God. Content over everything.
What is a
But yeah, I just want chicken over everything. Cause that's what I want. That's what I want right now. Like,
Alright, let's go.
we gotta find some chicken, man. Popeyes is closed.
Operation Get Drunk is over.
Oh
I
yeah.
just want that to be known.
Yeah. I think we did our justice for the last night. We're leaving Bourbon. Yo, that food smell mad good. We're leaving Bourbon Street. Our last night. Was trying to mess up my camera. It's cool. But Bourbon Street, they owe us nothing. Nola owes me nothing. It's crazy. So I'm home, y'all. I'm home. I'm sad, but I'm home. I usually don't end off the vlog, but I wanted to end it off this time. Nola did the thing, okay? Nola 1, me 0. We just went out with a bang, man. It was really crazy. I really enjoyed myself. I'm definitely going back because there's so many things I still have to do. So I'm definitely going back. Hopefully I can go with the family because I just feel like that would be a great trip with me and my family. So I definitely will be seeing y'all again. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm happy to be home. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.